Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, alloy wheels, brake assist, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, fog lights, chrome mirror caps, skid plates, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.